We've undergone a huge amount of growth in the last year with new services coming out every quarter. Being able to catch security issues as soon as possible allows us to keep the momentum going and push out those new services without having to panic in the last week before they go live. My name is Ethan Willer. I'm an information security analyst at Seismic. My main focus has been application security, and I work a lot with our static, dynamic, SCA, and container scanning tooling. Before we got Snyk, we had a static analysis scanner that was really good at finding unpatched libraries, but it wasn't so good at telling us where it found them, like exactly, and what version or how out of date they were. So when we went to look for a tooling that could do that, Snyk kind of checked the box there. The biggest benefit has been the ease of use. I mean, the GitHub integration, just being able to kind of import everything. I'm implementing it for most of our engineers, and being able to just let them in and have it be so easy for them to just pick up without having to read too much documentation has probably been the easiest thing. So as far as measuring success, when we turned on Snyk earlier this year, we were sitting around 2,500 highs across all of our front and back end projects. And now we have that number down to about 500, and it's steadily declining. Jeff has been pretty helpful since we signed on. He's pretty much helped us with any questions we have. He set up open lines of communication, so anytime something goes wrong, he's on it. It definitely feels like we have someone in our corner getting set up. I would definitely recommend Snyk, especially if you have some issues with dependency management, keeping things up to date, especially if you're, say, a project manager trying to do an audit on your projects to make sure you know exactly what open source packages and open source licenses you're bringing in.